2018 Infiniti QX30 review. The Infiniti QX30 is usually a unique vehicle that blurs the lines between SUV and sport luxury hatchback. The 2018 Infiniti QX30 is undoubtedly an interesting amalgamation of coupe, hatchback and crossover, and just how it straddles these physique results in advantages and drawbacks. Those who, as being a sporty drive experience, will appreciate the QX30's athleticism over the more traditional SUV. Its rear hatchback design boosts the cargo capacity more than a comparably sized sedan, as you move the option of all-wheel drive plus a raised suspension help it become better suited to take care of foul conditions or light off-highway exploration. So what are trade-offs? The QX30's aggressive coupe-like styling helps it fit the bill. Almost all doesn't allow for the roomiest or ergonomically optimized cabin. Its sporty suspension doesn't exactly master the ride comfort department either, and rear visibility is definitely an issue with no electronic aid on the optional technology package. With a base expense of just over $30,000. The QX30 may be the lowest point of entry into your Infiniti line, which is slightly more affordable than a lot of subcompact luxury SUVs, such as the Mercedes-Benz GLA, that it borrows heavily. What's new? The 2018 Infiniti QX30 is unchanged just for this year. If you've landed within the Infiniti QX30 because your next vehicle, the premium AWD trim. It not merely comes with a quantity of great features, it also offers the technology package which enables to alleviate the QX30's blind spots. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Infiniti QX30 subcompact luxury crossover comes in 4 trim levels: base, luxury, premium and sport. All models are propelled using a turbocharged 2.0-litre inline for 208 horsepower, 258 lb-ft that sends capacity to either the leading or all 4 wheels by way of a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is simply available within the luxury and premium trims. Standard features within the base QX30 include 18-inch alloy wheels, all-season run-flat tires, LED running lights, auto-dimming driver side and rear view mirrors, keyless entry and ignition, a leather-wrapped controls, a tilt-and telescoping steering column, 8-way manual front seats with 4-way power lumbar, dual-zone climate control, 6040 split-fold rear seatbacks and premium vinyl upholstery. Some from the standard technology features such as a rear-view camera, 7-inch Infiniti in-touch infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, voice controls, as well as a 6-speaker speakers with HD and satellite radio, 2 USB ports as well as an auxiliary audio jack. The luxury trim is sold with everything from the bed's base trim and adds leather upholstery, 8-way power front seats, heated front seats, a rear seat armrest, a rear seat pass-through, driver seat memory settings plus a stitchable leather dash insert. Aside from all-wheel drive, there aren't any options situated on luxury or base trims. One improved from luxury will be the premium model, which adds LED fog lights, rain-sensing windshield wipers, roof rails, a panoramic sunroof and also a premium 10-speaker Bose stereo audio. If you go for an all-wheel drive luxury or premium QX30, these models contain a ride height raised 1.2 inches versus that from the front-wheel drive models. A volume of packages are offered at the premium trim level. The navigation package has navigation, Infiniti in-touch services and apps, front and back parking sensors, satellite traffic and weather, along with a color center display within the gauge cluster. The LED package has adaptive LED headlights and interior LED ambient lighting. The technology package is but one due to the QX30's natural blind spots. It has a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams and park assist. The GLA white theme package includes a white premium leather interior with red accents and contrast stitching, a synthetic suede headliner and unique 18-inch wheels. The dark wood package adds real wood trim plus a suede headliner. A 19-inch wheel options also offered that also includes run-flat summer tires on the sport model. The top-of-the-line sport trim models are front-wheel drive only and feature a sport-tuned suspension that rides 0.6-inch a lesser amount than all in the other front-drive models. It has 19-inch alloy wheels with run-flat summer tires, back and front parking sensors, black exterior mirror housings, specific front and back lower fascias, body color side sill panels, a black-colored grille, front sport seats with synthetic suede and faux leather upholstery, a 360-degree camera system, a mechanical parking system along with a flat-bottom controls. Options for your sport trim add a no-cost navigation package, the technology package, which adds within the other driver aids which do not come standard, a sport leather package that includes premium leather, heated front seats, footwell lights along with a synthetic suede headliner, as well as the LED package earlier mentioned. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review use our full test from the 2017 Infiniti QX30 Premium AWD Turbo 2.0 litres inline 4, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, AWD. Driving. The Infiniti QX30 blends a compact SUV footprint, sharp handling and swift straight-line performance into a package you may want to take on light trails. A slow-shifting, lazy transmission hinders speed and acceleration, but you are able to quicken its response times. Acceleration. The QX30 has quick pedal response in S or M shifting modes but feels high-strung for city driving. In E mode, solution is slow, laggy and virtually intolerable until you work the manual shift paddles. When fully committed, it'll dash from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds, about average to the class. Braking. In testing, the QX needed 109 feet to avoid from 60 miles per hour, which is often a solid result for a compact car with all-season tires. It delivers consistent braking power and drama-free stability if you are needing to prevent in a hurry, and it's smooth and easy when you find yourself just easing into a stop. Steering. Precise responses inspire confidence the car is headed where it's pointed, even though there isn't all the road feels similar to Infinitus coupes or sedans. The effort is only right, too, it's neither heavy nor feather-light. Handling. The QX30 is playful when pushed. If approaching its limitations, the electronics will step up before things really escape shape. Body roll is well managed, and AWD affords great drive from corners. It's definitely capable, in any other case entertaining. Drivability. The default E mode produces fast low-speed driving and acceleration response due to power lag and slow-to-engage transmission. Selecting S or manual mode each time is usually a workaround, but the two modes undoubtedly are a bit revampy, which may be annoying after you just want to cruise. Comfort. Despite the entry-level luxury positioning, the QX30 is prone to shakes, jitters and transmitting patchy road surfaces into your cabin. It's more sport hatchback than small luxury SUV. Might be for some, but we presume buyers paying this segment expect better. Seat comfort. The seats may experience a little too firm to begin with, but we grew acquainted with them. The side bolsters provide good support but aren't just too large that they impede ingress. Power adjustable controls are separated involving the doors along with the seat, which is usually a little odd. Rear seats are happy, if the bit flat. Ride comfort. The ride isn't unreasonable but is firmer than you'd expect of a little luxury SUV. It chatters on washboard like asphalt and is particularly slightly jittery the majority of times. It's more at ease than its close cousin, the Mercedes-Benz GLA, however some competitors are better in this particular regard. Noise and vibration. There's a good amount of wind noise rushing within the mirrors and pillars, but road and tyre hum is pleasantly suppressed. Overall, the cabin is nicely hushed and quiet inside at highway speeds. Climate control. The climate system cools your little friend cabin quickly, as well as the seat heaters reach toasting temperature before shivering shows its head. There undoubtedly are a great number of between dual zone temp dials and a couple of switches for fan speed. It creates misdirected braking when it's in motion. Interior. Getting throughout the QX30's cabin control stalks, climate, tech is not hard, there will not be much room to achieve it. It's cozy inside, acquiring it and out needs a limber body, and outward visibility is scarce. The QX30 offers approximately the same space like a compact hatchback but at a little luxury SUV price. Ease of usage. The controls are intimate and no problem finding and use. The 7-inch infotainment system features a rotary dial and button interface, that's less distracting to make use of than a touchscreen. Of note, kit selector shape doesn't give loans to resting your hand into it. Acquiring it jetting out. Steep in height is less than those of a traditional SUV, although AWD models are 1.2 inches higher than front-drive QX30s. The low roof causes it to become a duck-in-out proposition, even for shorter passengers. Brief bending and contorting have to get inside back. Driving position. There's a good number of seat adjustment from sports car low to SUV high. A manual tilt-handless cope leader helps style and comfort, though the car's price warrants a power-adjusting wheel. Taller drivers might brush their heads around the roof or sunroof cutout. Roominess. The cabin is smaller than average and confining, however the driver and front passenger obtain the best end with the legroom deal. Rear seat legroom is minimal, headroom is hindered with the panoramic sunroof, along with the door panel armrests infringe on what's left from the precious cabin space. Visibility. Thick rear pillars, a narrow rear window and tall window line combine for limited outward visibility. Even the door pillars make lane changes an even more deliberate effort. A surround view camera is optional together with the technology package but should come standard because of the difficulty seeing outside of this car. Quality. Infiniti pulls off limited interior, though most pieces you touch stalks, switches, tyre come from your high-quality Mercedes parts spin. The rest are Infiniti issue and arguably equally as nice. Quality is fantastic and assembly is tight. Appears developed to last. Utility. Although the QX30 offers all-wheel drive with 8 inches of ground clearance, choosing hard-pressed to refer to it as a utility vehicle. The cabin is simply too small for many outdoor equipment, particularly if 4 passengers are riding along. Fine in the event you pack light, but a majority of compact hatchbacks offer more room. Small item storage. There's decent storage for small, loose items. A typical 1-litre bottle can fit in leading doors, but there is not much storage beyond that inside side pockets. Cargo space. The QX30 comes with a claimed 19.2 cubic feet of trunk space. That's above average for that segment, however average to get a compact hatchback. It also seems being a generous measurement. While there's some room back there, vertical space is compromised because of the sharply raked roof. Child safety seat accommodation. Isofix anchors sit right on the rear seat surface and so are easy to access. The QX30's slower height does mean loading inside kids is related to loading in a vehicle, not an SUV. Technology. Controls from Mercedes-Benz coupled with Infiniti software and displays allow for a fairly robust package of convenience and safety technology. Even base models present you with a good tech bundle: rear view camera, Bluetooth, 7-inch touchscreen. Technology and navigation packages add safety and connectivity. Audio and navigation. A 10-speaker Bose speakers comes standard on premium models. It's a good system, whether or not it doesn't offer much adjustment. The navigation is quick and offers multiple map views, even so the graphics and menus beyond your navigation menu look slightly dated. Smartphone integration. With no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto smartphone integration, Bluetooth may be the go-to connection here. We experienced limited success when connecting an iPhone via USB cable. The system occasionally recognized it being a media device, most often didn't. Driver aids. The optional tech package combines the primary features: blind spot monitoring, lane departure warnings, etc. Lane departure warning sends a vibration mindful of the tire. Parking sensors sometimes lag and frequently don't respond until you're watching knowledgeable of an obstacle. Voice control. The voice controls are very effective for initiating a navigation search while driving. Issuing commands to go looking nearby sites by name or category, for instance, contributes to more specific menus that one could then search by dial controller and button array. Good stuff.